Top 4 best high-protein meats to repair muscles fast. What? What if I told you that the meat you eat every day could either slow down your muscle recovery or help your body rebuild stronger muscles faster? Most people believe muscles only grow during exercise. But the truth is, your muscles grow after your workout, while your body is resting and repairing damaged muscle fibers. Every walk, every workout, even everyday activities create tiny tears inside your muscles. Those tiny tears are completely normal, but without enough high-quality protein, your body cannot repair them properly. As we get older, this becomes even more important. After the age of 50, and especially after 60, the body naturally begins to lose muscle mass in a process known as age-related muscle loss. This can lead to weakness, slower recovery, poor balance, and reduced independence. The good news is that the right protein-rich foods can help slow this process and support stronger muscles. Recent nutrition research shows something many people don't realize. It's not simply about eating more protein. It's about choosing protein sources that provide complete amino acids, are easier to digest, and help stimulate muscle protein synthesis more effectively. Today, we're counting down 4 of the best high-protein meats that can help repair muscles faster, improve recovery, and support strength as you age. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal the best cooking method that helps your body absorb more protein while avoiding one common mistake that actually reduces the muscle-building benefits of healthy meat. Number 1. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is widely recognized as one of the best high-protein meats for repairing muscles quickly and supporting long-term strength. Every 100 grams of skinless chicken breast provides about 31 grams of high-quality protein, making it one of the richest natural sources of lean protein available. Unlike many fatty cuts of meat, chicken breast delivers complete protein with very little saturated fat, allowing your body to focus on rebuilding muscle without adding unnecessary calories or unhealthy fats. This is especially important after exercise because your muscles develop tiny microscopic tears during physical activity. These tiny tears are completely normal and are actually the first step toward becoming stronger. However, they can only heal properly if your body receives enough high-quality protein. One of the biggest reasons chicken breast is so effective is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids. These amino acids are called essential because your body cannot produce them on its own and must obtain them from food. Among these amino acids, leucine plays a particularly important role. Leucine acts like a signal that tells your muscles to begin rebuilding damaged muscle fibers through a process known as muscle protein synthesis. Research has consistently shown that consuming enough leucine after exercise helps stimulate muscle repair, improve recovery, and support the growth of lean muscle tissue. Chicken breast is also easy for the body to digest, allowing the protein to be absorbed efficiently and used where it is needed most. This makes it an excellent choice not only for athletes, but also for older adults who naturally lose muscle mass as they age. After the age of 50, the body's ability to build and maintain muscle gradually declines, making high-quality protein even more important. Including lean chicken breast as part of a balanced diet can help preserve muscle strength, improve physical function, and support better mobility for years to come. Another advantage of chicken breast is its versatility. It can be included in lunch or dinner alongside vegetables, whole grains, or healthy carbohydrates to create a balanced meal that supports muscle recovery after workouts or everyday physical activity. Choosing skinless chicken breast instead of fried chicken or heavily processed chicken products also helps reduce unnecessary saturated fat, sodium, and preservatives that may increase inflammation and slow the recovery process. Number 2. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is one of the best lean meats you can eat if your goal is to repair muscles faster, recover more efficiently, and build long-lasting strength. Every 100 grams of skinless turkey breast provides about 29 to 30 grams of high-quality protein, making it an excellent source of complete protein for people of all ages. Whether you exercise regularly, enjoy walking, or simply want to maintain healthy muscles as you get older, Turkey breast provides the nutrients your body needs to rebuild damaged muscle fibers. Because it is naturally low in fat and calories, it supplies plenty of protein without adding excess saturated fat, making it an ideal choice for supporting lean muscle growth while maintaining a healthy body weight. One of the greatest benefits of turkey breast is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are required for muscle repair and growth. It is particularly rich in branched-chain amino acids, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Among these, leucine is especially important because it activates muscle protein synthesis, the natural process your body uses to repair damaged muscle tissue after physical activity. Studies have shown that eating enough leucine-rich protein after exercise helps stimulate muscle recovery, reduce muscle breakdown, and promote the development of stronger, leaner muscles over time. Turkey breast also provides several important vitamins and minerals that support overall muscle health. It is an excellent source of vitamin B6, which helps your body convert food into energy and supports protein metabolism. It also contains selenium, a powerful antioxidant mineral that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress caused by intense exercise or normal aging. In addition, turkey provides niacin and phosphorus, nutrients that contribute to healthy energy production, strong bones, and normal muscle function. Another reason turkey breast is highly recommended is that it is easy to digest, allowing the body to absorb and use its protein efficiently. Choosing fresh, skinless turkey breast instead of processed turkey products such as deli slices or smoked turkey also helps reduce your intake of sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy additives that may interfere with recovery and overall health. Number 3, tuna is one of the best high-protein fish for repairing muscles, supporting recovery, and maintaining strength as you age. Every 100 grams of tuna provides about 29 grams of high-quality protein, making it an excellent source of complete protein that contains all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild damaged muscle fibers. After exercise, your muscles experience tiny tears that must be repaired before they become stronger. Without enough high-quality protein, this recovery process slows down, which can lead to longer-lasting soreness and reduced muscle growth. Tuna supplies the building blocks your body needs to repair muscle tissue efficiently while providing very little saturated fat, making it an ideal choice for anyone focused on building or maintaining lean muscle. One of the biggest advantages of tuna is that it is naturally rich in leucine, one of the most important amino acids for muscle repair. Leucine helps activate muscle protein synthesis, the process responsible for rebuilding damaged muscle fibers after physical activity. Research has shown that consuming complete proteins rich in leucine after exercise can help improve recovery, reduce muscle breakdown, and support greater gains in muscle strength over time. Because tuna is also easy to digest, your body can absorb its protein efficiently and put those amino acids to work quickly. Another major benefit of tuna is its content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly in varieties such as albacore and bluefin tuna. Omega-3 fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce exercise-related muscle soreness and support faster recovery after intense physical activity. Tuna also provides important nutrients such as vitamin D, selenium, and vitamin B12. Vitamin D supports normal muscle function. Selenium acts as an antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative damage. And vitamin B12 contributes to healthy nerve function and red blood cell production, ensuring your muscles receive the oxygen they need to perform effectively. Choosing fresh tuna or canned tuna packed in water instead of oil helps keep calories and unhealthy fats under control. However, because some larger tuna species may contain higher levels of mercury, health experts generally recommend enjoying tuna in moderation as part of a varied, balanced diet while including other protein-rich fish throughout the week for the greatest overall health benefits. Number 4, lean beef. Lean beef is one of the most nutrient-dense high-protein meats for repairing muscles, increasing strength, and supporting long-term physical performance. Every 100 grams of lean beef provides approximately 26 to 27 grams of high-quality protein, giving your body all 9 essential amino acids needed to rebuild damaged muscle fibers after exercise. Whether you lift weights, enjoy regular physical activity, or simply want to maintain muscle as you age, lean beef provides the complete protein your body needs for efficient recovery. Unlike processed or fatty cuts of beef, lean beef delivers these muscle-building nutrients with less saturated fat, making it a healthier option for supporting strength without unnecessary excess calories. One of the biggest advantages of lean beef is that it is one of the few natural food sources of creatine, a compound stored inside your muscles that helps produce energy during short bursts of intense activity. Creatine supports better workout performance, allows muscles to work harder during resistance training, and may help improve muscle strength over time. Studies have shown that combining resistance exercise with adequate protein and natural creatine intake can support greater improvements in muscle size, power, and recovery than exercise alone. Lean beef is also an excellent source of heme iron, the form of iron that is most easily absorbed by the body. Iron plays a critical role in transporting oxygen through the bloodstream to working muscles. When muscles receive enough oxygen, they can perform more efficiently and recover more quickly after physical activity. In addition, lean beef provides zinc, an essential mineral involved in tissue repair, immune function, and protein synthesis. Zinc helps support the body's natural healing process and contributes to the rebuilding of damaged muscle tissue after exercise. Another important benefit of lean beef is its rich supply of vitamin B12, niacin, and vitamin B6, nutrients that help convert food into energy and support healthy nerve and muscle function. These vitamins are especially valuable for older adults who may absorb vitamin B12 less efficiently with age. To maximize the health benefits, choose lean cuts such as sirloin, tenderloin, or eye of round, and prepare them by grilling, baking, broiling, or lightly pan-searing instead of frying. Limiting processed meats such as sausages, bacon, and heavily marbled beef also helps reduce excess sodium, saturated fat, and preservatives that may negatively affect overall health and recovery.